Welcome to our Coffee and Machine Institution. Today, I will introduce you with our entry-level automatic coffee machine, QA400. This machine is providing one bean and two soluble powder. The volume of the bean helper is 1.2 kg, and the brew capacity is 10 to 16 grams. Then you can have 120 cups without refill. Normally, you can choose milk powder and chocolate powder together, and then you can have almost all recipes. The cup size can range from 8 ounce to even 16 ounce. How we can make 16 ounce with only 16 gram brewer capacity? The amazing thing is that we can make 16 ounce cup by 2 cycles, but with only 1 click. We have 10.1 inch touchscreen on this machine, and all these recipes can be programmed by easy clicks. Input the password. Program. You can see that you can change the coffee quantity you use, water volume, water temperature, pressure, bean cake strength, and etc. No matter which language you speak, you can choose here. Fresh milk is surely available with our milk function box, and there is a separate milk boiler inside of the box, ensuring the temperature high and stable enough, even the flow is huge. There are 2 cleaning models. One is fast automatic cleaning, and the other one is professional cleaning. Fast cleaning is suggested when the day is over and can do without pills. And the professional cleaning should be made at least 3 times per week with pills. Actually, you do not need to worry about the maintenance of the machinery, because we will give you the guidance. And our professional engineering team will be online training always, 24 hours. And if you have some huge project locally, we will fly right up to you and support you.